Virginia smoke, OVS.
Good morning. Oh, Santa Claus has been here. Wow. Alrighty, here we go. Now we're going to open up this wrapping paper, and you'll notice that probably several points to this time it looks like I will be talking during this video, but the audio did not record. So I am doing a voiceover, and normally I wouldn't tell you that, but I'm going to today. So we're opening up this cardboard. This thing is well packed. Nothing is going to happen to your Gateway Go2 Drum while it's in shipment. Then there are 3 or 4 legs that come out. And yes, I'm very excited, as you can see, to unbox this. And it's turned out that this grill and smoker is pretty amazing. Look how small it is. I can lift it out of there with both hands, no problem. It's very tiny. It came well packed. That is a very great thing that is about the way that Gateway Drums does these things is they want to make sure that your investment in your equipment is proper and done right so that it doesn't show up. It shows up in perfect condition. So we're going to get this paper off of here and reveal what is a beautiful, beautiful, bright red Gateway Go2 Drum. Which red is not a color that we generally associate with Old Virginia smoke, but I'm very excited. It's loud, it's proud, looks great. And as you can see, again, I'm moving this thing relatively easy because it's pretty light and it's easy to get in and out of a vehicle. It's most of the time it rides in the back seat of my truck. And that way I can have it wherever I decide to go. I can take it anywhere. The lid is hinged, as you can see, which makes it very easy to not worry about that falling off. And also, it's just convenient that it's hinged. You don't have to worry about it. Now, it does potentially create some space issues in terms of putting a taller piece of meat in there, but I don't know that I'm going to run into any problems with that. So now that we've got this thing out of the box, we're going to get our legs, and you can see right there that it would set really beautifully on a table with a hard surface. I don't think you'd have to worry about burning that, but it comes with these amazing leg extensions. These things clip in, there's holes on the little legs, they slide right in, click in easy, remove easy, and they elevate this thing to the perfect height to cook on. So you get a tall cooker that you're not bending over, you're not fighting with, and it allows you to do basically whatever you want. It's right there for you. So now we're going to put these legs on and get this thing standing up. I hope all of you are also marveling at my fantastic Christmas tree. As you can tell, it's an Old Virginia Smoke Christmas tree. So you can see here that we have gotten our Gateway Go2 Drum up on its legs. You can see it's at the perfect height to do whatever I need to do on it. It's probably about as tall as a regular Gateway drum, so that makes it very convenient, consistent. We have in here our grate, which is beautiful for the only time in its life. Once there's food on this thing, it's never going to stay clear, so cut that out. And then down in below, we're going to have some more packing. And this is to keep the firebox from banging around on the inside, but also to protect the thermometer that's down there as well. So here we have our firebox, which is very tiny. It's got the holes on the sides to allow for ventilation and proper airflow. That sits in the bottom. And then we will get our temperature gauge out of the box and screw that in, and then we'll be ready to cook. The temperature gauges that Gateway have been putting in with their products are very accurate, I think, and also they're customized for the Gateway product. So that's very cool. And you can see right here, I'm going to show it to you on the video. Needles up, baby. We're going to get this attached. It comes with a set of washers. Generally, when I'm in transit, I'll take the thermometers off of my Gateway drums just so they're not having to deal with those on the travel side and getting them damaged. You'll see Odin is back there behind this Gateway drum. He was very intrigued by this entire thing, and he loves the Gateway, the Go2 as well, because he likes to go to everywhere just like the drum. So we'll get this attached in here, and we are ready to get this thing, take it outside, and cook some food. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and we look forward to seeing you around here again.